Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Vibrant Health Project. Today, we're taking a closer look at miso, a really cool ingredient from Japan that's becoming super popular for its health benefits. We'll explore what makes miso so special, what good stuff it has in it, and how you can easily add it to your meals. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Miso is kind of like a paste made from fermented soybeans, and it's a big deal in Japanese cooking. But it's not just for taste. For a long time, people have believed miso is good for you, and now science is showing why. It's packed with antioxidants and good bacteria that can help you stay healthy. We'll talk more about the specifics later, but trust me, miso deserves a spot in your kitchen. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use miso in your cooking and how it can help you feel even better. Let's get started. Miso has this awesome savory flavor, but where does it come from? It's actually pretty simple. Miso, a staple in Japanese cuisine, is known for its rich umami taste that adds depth to a variety of dishes. But to truly appreciate miso, we need to delve into its origins and the fascinating process of fermentation that gives it such a unique profile. Miso comes from Japan, where it's been a part of meals for centuries. The secret is fermentation. This ancient practice has been passed down through generations, making miso not just a food item, but a cultural heritage. In Japan, miso is more than just an ingredient. It's a symbol of tradition and a testament to the ingenuity of Japanese culinary practices. They take soybeans, sometimes with rice or barley, and ferment them with salt and a special mold called koji. Koji, a type of fungus, plays a crucial role in breaking down the proteins and starches in the soybeans, transforming them into amino acids and simple sugars. This process not only enhances the flavor but also increases the nutritional value of the miso. This process, which can take months or even years, gives miso its unique taste and all those healthy nutrients. The length of fermentation can vary significantly, from a few months for a lighter, sweeter miso to several years for a darker, more robust variety. During this time, the miso undergoes a complex transformation, developing its characteristic flavors and textures. The longer it ferments, the darker the color and the stronger the taste. This is why you'll find such a wide range of miso types, each with its own distinct flavor profile. Light miso, known as shiro miso, is typically sweeter and less salty, making it perfect for soups and dressings. On the other hand, dark miso, or aka miso, has a much stronger, saltier taste, ideal for hearty stews and marinades. There are lots of different kinds of miso, from light and sweet to dark and rich. Each type of miso brings its own unique set of flavors and uses to the table. For instance, there's also hacho miso, a very dark and dense miso made purely from soybeans, which is known for its intense umami flavor. Then there's genmai miso made with brown rice, which offers a more complex, earthy taste. We'll talk about those later, but first, let's see what makes miso so good for you. Miso is packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and beneficial bacteria that promote gut health. The fermentation process not only enhances the flavor but also makes these nutrients more bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb them more easily. This makes miso not just a delicious addition to your meals, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. Miso's antioxidant powerhouse, fighting free radicals to keep your cells healthy. Miso, a traditional Japanese seasoning, is not just a flavorful addition to your meals but also a potent ally in the fight against free radicals. This fermented paste made from soybeans, salt, and koji is packed with nutrients that can significantly benefit your health. One of the big reasons miso is so healthy is because it's full of antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect your body from oxidative stress, which is caused by an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. This imbalance can lead to cell and tissue damage. Antioxidants are like little superheroes that protect your cells from bad guys called free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause a lot of harm if not kept in check. They are produced naturally in the body as a byproduct of metabolism, but their levels can increase due to external factors like pollution, radiation, and unhealthy diets. Free radicals can damage your cells and make you age faster, and even cause some diseases. When free radicals attack your cells, they can cause oxidative stress, leading to chronic inflammation, which is a root cause of many health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Additionally, oxidative stress can accelerate the aging process, affecting your skin, hair, and overall vitality. Miso, because of how it's fermented, has lots of these superhero antioxidants. The fermentation process not only enhances the flavor of miso, but also increases its nutritional value. During fermentation, beneficial bacteria break down the soybeans, making it easier for your body to absorb the nutrients. This process also produces a variety of bioactive compounds, including antioxidants, that can help protect your cells from damage. They work like tiny cleanup crews, getting rid of free radicals and keeping your cells safe. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals by donating an electron, effectively disarming them and preventing them from causing further harm. This protective action helps maintain the integrity of your cells and supports overall cellular health. When you eat miso, you're giving your body these helpful antioxidants to fight off cell damage and stay healthy. Incorporating miso into your diet can be a delicious and effective way to boost your antioxidant intake. Whether you enjoy it in soups, dressings, or marinades, miso can add a rich, savory flavor to your meals while providing significant health benefits. This can help your immune system, your skin, and even lower your chances of getting sick. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, the antioxidants in miso can support a strong immune response, promote healthy youthful skin, and decrease the risk of chronic illnesses. So, next time you reach for that bowl of miso soup, remember that you're not just enjoying a tasty treat, but also giving your body a powerful tool to combat free radicals and maintain cellular health. A gut feeling about miso probiotics and their digestive benefits. Besides antioxidants, miso is also a great source of probiotics. Probiotics are live microorganisms that provide numerous health benefits when consumed in adequate amounts. They are often referred to as good or friendly bacteria because they help keep your gut healthy. Probiotics are good bacteria and yeasts that help your tummy stay happy. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of your gut microbiota, which is the community of microorganisms living in your intestines. This balance is essential for proper digestion, immune function, and overall health. Your gut is full of tiny living things, and it's important to keep the good and bad ones balanced. An imbalance in your gut microbiota can lead to various digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and diarrhea. It can also affect your immune system and increase your risk of infections and chronic diseases. Making miso creates good bacteria, mostly called lactobacilli. These bacteria are produced during the fermentation process, which involves the breakdown of carbohydrates by microorganisms. Fermentation not only enhances the flavor and texture of miso but also increases its probiotic content. When you eat miso, these good bacteria go into your gut and help keep everything in balance. They colonize your intestines and compete with harmful bacteria, preventing them from multiplying and causing problems. This helps maintain a healthy gut environment and supports your digestive health. This can help you digest your food better, feel less bloated, and absorb more nutrients. Probiotics can also produce short-chain fatty acids, which provide energy to your gut cells and promote a healthy gut lining. This can improve your overall well-being and make you feel more energetic and vibrant. So, adding miso to your meals is like giving your gut a high five. It's a simple and delicious way to boost your probiotic intake and support your digestive health. Whether you enjoy it in soups, sauces, or dressings, miso can be a valuable addition to your diet. So, next time you're looking for a tasty and nutritious option, consider reaching for some miso and give your gut the love it deserves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more content like this. Thank you for watching.